What is the word? I ain't gonna lie, we at the mall again like always. You know what I'm saying? You already know we be at the mall. You ever point at the mall, my guy?
We finna go try to sell this watch to a jeweler in there.
No yappity. I ain't gonna lie.
Get a
The lady in the car right here
everything.
probably scared as hell. Okay. She probably about scared as I don't know what.
Boy,
But not
put the camera on her face.
word though. Okay. Back in the day, he'll be all in that shit. But not
Yeah, we got this little light skinned nigga West coming. Look at this light skinned ass wanna be light skinned ass nigga. Boy.
You said what happened?
Shit, light skin.
Word, you
This
heard that
nigga
shit?
light skinned as hell. Yeah. All the guys outside.
Oh shit. Yo, what's good?
Oh.
How you feeling? Damn, this shit bright. How far away is it?
10 minutes.
You know what I'm saying? My shit, the fastest Chrysler in Orlando. That's why I'm gonna start saying the fastest Chrysler in Orlando. That's gonna get niggas mad. I got the fastest Chrysler in Florida. Saying let somebody, you know what I'm saying, say otherwise, and they gonna be proven wrong. Fastest Chrysler in Orlando,
Hey,
man. Stop playing.
Hey.
I'm fascinated.
This fucking glare. We at the Millennium. Where we at?
Shit, we at the mall, Millennium Mall. Never been to the mall in my life. I ain't gonna lie. This is obviously where the rich people at, cause I never seen, you know what I'm saying, this ever in my life. And I ain't gonna lie. Like I said again. Huh?
What's behind you?
Oh, you right here. What the fuck? Where the fuck you come from?
What the hell?
Shit, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying. I've been, you know what I'm saying, stuck on my phone, you know what I'm saying, because damn, lamb chop. I don't know why they got this. Look at it, they got a water fountain outside the mall. I never seen this in my life. Nigga from the trenches, you know what I'm saying, at the end of the day, you feel me? So I'm, you know what I'm saying, still, you know what I'm saying, go how I go, you feel me?
Know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Stop playing.
Nah,
Damn. But you know what I'm saying, it be like that though, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying, we is in an area, you know what I'm saying, where it is bougie or whatever, but guess what? Still a nigga from the trenches, you feel me? And I don't give a fuck about nothing that's bougie. But your
We got fountains inside.
I'm certified thug. I'm from Virginia. You feel me? I never seen this in my life. Come on, look up. I ain't never seen nothing like this in my life. Like what? I'm from the trenches. Wow. Let's get a thumbnail. Stupid nigga. Thumbnail.
You gotta jump in. Yeah, like you jumping in.
Nah, for real. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Know what I'm saying. I never been in this mall before in my life. You know what I'm saying? Now we here.
Hold on. Look,
So
look,
now.
look. Let me see.
Whenever it get dark, try to adjust this. Oh yeah, what the fuck?
Look at this. Look. Watch it.
It's backwards, that's it.
We on the wrong side.
So they all be over there, we missing them. I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? It look crazy, the lighting look crazy in here, but, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what is this?
That was water.
They said do not touch. Wait, it was water coming out of it?
Nah, I thought it was water.
They said don't touch. They gonna kick you out.
What they gonna do about it?
They gonna kick you out.
How?
They gonna be good, you gonna let them kick you out? I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, hey, you know something crazy about this mall? Look, something crazy about the mall? All I see was white people. These feet,
Right?
I'm not a racist. I'm not a racist. On the escalator, the excavator, excavate.
Come on, let's go.
Here, we just here to make content right now.
Look. Yo, he got on. Hold on.
Thumbnail. Wait, escalator thumbnail. Escalator thumbnail. Hold on, escalator thumbnail. Come on.
Show demonetized right there.
You heard what he said?
I love white people.
I don't know you, sir. What's he talking about?
Best black man you could ever be around.
You know him?
What he talking about?
White people love me.
Do you know him?
They call me, white people love me because they call me the snitch. I'm fucking around.
Nah, he for real. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna cap. We out here, you know what I'm saying? At these, you know what I'm saying? The crazy shit. Which one would you go to first out of every single one of these on this job right now?
Every single one? I'd probably go to Saint Laurent.
Where the fuck that's at over there?
I don't rock with the like the crazy ass patterns. You know what I'm saying.
Nah, for real though. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. At least,
On the whole thing.
at least the Yaga cool though too though. You feel me? No cavity.
They gonna run. Somebody gotta ask you and be like, yo, what you got on?
Well, yeah, cause no one ever really know that for real. What about
You got, like glasses on or something.
Yeah, that shit obviously so.
But look at Gucci.
Yeah, that's what we about to go into right now. Gucci. Gucci. I was trying to camera off so he thugging so hard he never seen a real
I ain't
one.
never seen a real one.
I ain't gonna lie, my guys. Hold on, let me see. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. Look, we had just seen this famous pastor, and damn, the lighting is bad. But look, I ain't gonna lie. We had met this famous pastor, you know what I'm saying? We had met this famous pastor inside Gucci, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna lie. He said he was gonna follow me back. He had followed him back, but didn't follow me back. But he reposted my picture and then reposted his picture. So I'm kind of confused.
He didn't follow you back?
No, nigga egoed me. He egoed me. But I ain't gonna lie, we leaving out this, you know what I'm saying? Well, dang. Strong ass door. Strong ass door. But now we leaving out the little thing right now, you know what I'm saying? This big ass, you know what I'm saying? Rich mall. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of people here are bougie. You think the people here bougie, bro?
Bougie and
Not for real.
Yeah.
But I don't give a fuck, cause I'ma still fuck yo. Finish it.
bitch.
Okay. And guess what? I don't care if she got a boyfriend, cause I ain't gon' snitch. Okay. But alright, I ain't gonna, I'm turning this off, you know what I'm saying? See what we gotta do. We about to try to get a little camera, so yeah. For real, so what that mean? Alright, we're locked, let's lock in. Hey, that shit get up, dog. No cap.
Hey,
Huh?
let me get on here.
Not for real. Stop playing. It's the slowest charger in the world.
I just come back. Oh,
We getting hawked down by a beamer.
you following no
That shit slow.
Oh, look, they coming. They going.
That shit fast.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying, my guy. Shut up. Make sure the mic on. To be honest with you, I'm saying we currently at the gas station right now. We here chilling, you feel me? Listen, I ain't gonna lie. It's a person behind my car. I'm trying to see. I'm about to go over there and see if like if they like are they trying to get the gas pump or what are they doing?
That's what I'm saying.
They
If
just
they
supposed-
don't,
look.
I might have to take the call for. Forget all that. Forget them talking. I'm taking the keys, nigga.
Bro, I keep on recording and forget to put the mic on, bro. I'm mad, bro. Like this is like the second, third time I'm recording and didn't put the mic on. To be honest with y'all, I'm about to get mad, my guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get mad. Because I feel like I'm wasting storage at this point, my guy. You know what I'm saying? No, yeah. But nah, like I said though, they told me to move my car if I won't pump the gas because I'm not sure. It's understandable though, but you know what I'm saying? I had to. Nah, for real, ain't nobody even pulling up here anyways. You feel me?
Shit is empty.
Hey, they see all the people here. They're like, oh shit, what's going on?
Yeah, it's time to go. It's time to go. They said.
What they say, time to go?
Yeah.
All right, back.
Itching to shoot switch, twin. It be fully built in too, twin.
All right, I ain't gonna lie, no, I'm saying, to be honest, I'm saying, we out here right now. And like, I ain't gonna lie, no, I'm saying, hey, there's some fat things out here, some fat things. Got my baby right here too, hold up. Let me show my baby first. But now we got some fat things. We were just at the gas station. They kicked us out of the gas station because they were like, I don't know. I guess we was at part of the pump, so we couldn't, you know what I'm saying, really sit in front of that.
Oh my god, chopper get that nigga flip. Got a 7.62 with these hollow fucking tips. 5.56, hit that nigga fucking face. Run it up, little nigga, get that nigga, yeah, erase. He was talking all that shit, chopper bitch, I let it spray. Call me Nagatoro, baby, I'ma show you pain. Getting money, yeah, baby Bruce Wayne, Niggas talking shit, run up, I'ma take his chain, I don't give no fuck, chopper hit that nigga brain, I don't fuck with no, I don't fuck with lanes,
They don't fuck with lanes, and I ain't gonna cap, me and my nigga is the same, cause fuck these niggas, fuck these bitches, cause they all goddamn fool, and I ain't gonna cap, I do not fuck with you, and you, get away from me, cause I just want a bitch with a big butt, and I ain't gonna cap to you, nigga, I am fuck bitch slut, cause I ain't gonna give a fuck, nigga, come in the lead chopper, bitch, cause I'ma fuck to stop her, bitch, damn.
Baby, I'm getting blues, Benjamin the baby, I really getting blues, talking nigga, chopper loaded up, put him on the news, he was talking shit, I'm better behind, bitch, I'm on the cruise,
Damn. Hold on, I just play some more beats on. Fuck that. Damn. I got that chop on me. Niggas talking shit, but best believe. Oh yeah, he gon' see. Damn. He about to go to loot right now cause nigga blew his shit up. That shit so slow and I don't even understand what this. Oh, damn. I go. I can't do this, but it be ass.
Black president.
Hey, tell me on the way. I already got his look.
Yes, he gave me brain better. Yes, he gave me trauma. Yeah, I see this shot. I think that nigga needed doctor. Keep his dick on me, little bitch. I feel like Harry Potter. Yes, he give me brain, bitch. I'm really getting smarter. Baby, bitch, you know I'm really getting calmer. He was talking shit, so I hit him with my chopper. I'm a freaky nigga. Fuck your mama. She gonna spin my dick, little baby, just like a llama.
It was good.
I don't baby, bitch, I'm in the gold. Niggas talking shit, chopper hit that nigga throat. Little baby, bitch, you know I'm getting though. I chase no hope. Little baby, bitch, you know, chopper let it go.
Chopper let it go. Yeah. Cause best believe I'm gonna blow. Let a nigga run up on me, that's gonna be his last day. I ain't capping to no nigga, my nigga, I do not play. If a nigga run up on me, he gon' get hit with this switch. My car ain't got a switch, but guess believe I got all them damn glicks. I ain't capping to no nigga. These niggas, they just be capping. They be rapping, then they capping, then they song. They just be acting. They be actors. They need to go to damn fucking Hollywood. And I ain't gonna cap to you that bitch. I hit that bitch, I shit Hollywood. Damn, how you Hollywood after I hit, bitch? I don't give a fuck, nigga. I won't go around and snitch, bitch. Psych, I'm gonna tell
your motherfucking hip, bitch. He was talking shit. Chopper get that nigga flip, bitch. Chopper loader got him dancing like a crip, bitch. Pop them, hit him rip, bitch. I'm a freaky nigga. I'm a fucking rich, bitch. I don't give no fuck nobody, bitch. Look my wrist, ho.
Damn, freaky nigga, damn. I might fuck your bitch, nigga. I might fuck your teacher. I might fuck her in, nigga. I'ma fuck her in the class, I'ma fuck her in the past, I'ma fuck her, make her mad, I'ma fuck her, then I dash.
Hold on, let me pick a beat, I got you with it, Hold on.
Damn. I'm in the studio and Dolly. Can't even see you.
Hold on, let me come in there.
Put a flashlight on too. What? You know? No yap.
Yeah, we're at the light.
No yap. Damn. No yap. No yap. Niggas be capping they raps. They ain't really on that shit that they say. I don't give a fuck, my nigga. I don't play up the K and best believe I'm gon' spray. Niggas talking all this shit that he gon' play down when he late. Niggas talking all they shit, but they ain't even got no Glock. I'ma up that shit and fucking let that motherfucking spot. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. Nigga, it's up in the stuck. Nigga, I fucked up, but I don't believe up, nigga.
Hit his head, watch that nigga falling dead. What the fuck? Niggas talking, got these niggas talking feds. What the fuck? Chopper loaded up, chopper hit his head. Oh my god, baby, bitch, you know I'm trying to get some check. Huh? She's
He's
trying
gonna teach a live and freestyle. That'd be crazy.
to. He said what?
He's gonna teach a live and freestyle.
Alright, hold on. Huh? Bitch, I keep my chop. Nigga, bitch, I in your pots. He was talking all that shit, so I had to kill his thought. What the fuck? Oh my god, it's out the dome, it's out the thought. What the fuck, little baby bitch, you know I do not fuck with boss. What the fuck? Chopper load it up and get that nigga crop. Oh my god, baby bitch, you know slime. Bitch, I snot. What the fuck? Oh my god, little baby bitch, I smoking run. He was talking all that shit, watch this pussy nigga run. Oh my god, got my chopper with a beam, I got my gun. What the fuck? Bitch, I love to shoot. Bitch, I shoot for fun. Oh my god, baby bitch, he got a chopper with a drum. He was talking all that shit, so my chopper got him done. Oh my
God, oh my god,
nigga, I'm a fucking goat.
Oh my god,
baby bitch, you know, come and run my boat.
Oh my god,
baby bitch, you know I really got you so.
Oh my god,
got a chopper with a motherfucking scope.
Oh my god,
baby bitch, you know I really like the poke.
Oh my god,
baby bitch, you know, baby getting dope.
Oh my god, we cruising on this beat, yeah, we gon' float. Oh my god, niggas talking all that shit, yeah, he gon' choke.
What?
Oh my god, he be talking all that shit, but don't want smoke. Oh my god, niggas talking all that shit, but don't got poke. Oh my god, they want the beef, and I'ma breed the steak. Oh my god, niggas talking all that shit, oh yeah, they fake. Oh my god, I'ma pass the beat to Bruno, he gon' slake. Oh my god, nigga, damn.
Got my lean, baby bitch, you know I really get you clean. Chopper loaded up, little bitch, you know I keep my fucking beat. What the fuck? Yeah, she chopper loaded up, she with the team. Oh my god, chopper make a nigga motherfucking scream. Chopper loaded up and hit his spleen. I'm a vampire, I want you to see the bleed. I'm chopper loaded and showing threes. Niggas talking shit, little bad, get no V.
Oh my god, nigga.
You ready?
We don't know I'm on his ass, not in there. Street don't set you down, no such thing as fire train. Raise yourself from rushing in, so you don't think you find a day. Put attention to the song, you pull up, look right away. All night, spend the city, round around, can I talk on same blood, find your boy, leave your phones going on.
Okay.
Beat on brothers, bleed, call talk all the time. I just text, switch block, easy to like, get a flush, still fly from the leash, good. I get back on my same spot, I know they make it sharp, been for like the 48 hours, I was the same. All that we do, all that make them talk, I can't